Looking for the most reliable and best value Lexus RX 350 to buy? In this video, we'll reveal the 5 best Lexus RX 350 model years that stand out for their performance, comfort, reliability, and long-term ownership value. Whether you're planning to buy a used luxury SUV or just want to know which year's owners trust the most, this guide will help you avoid costly mistakes and choose the RX 350 that truly delivers the legendary Lexus experience. The 2015 Lexus RX 350 is known as one of the most reliable and comfortable luxury SUVs in its class. It features a smooth V6 engine that delivers strong performance while maintaining excellent ride comfort, making it perfect for daily driving as well as long trips. The interior stands out with high-quality materials, spacious seating, and a quiet cabin that gives passengers a premium driving experience. In addition to comfort, the 2015 RX 350 offers solid safety features and a reputation for long-term durability, which is why many buyers still consider it a smart used car choice today. Its simple yet elegant design, dependable performance, and low maintenance costs make this model year a balanced option for anyone looking for a luxury SUV that is both practical and reliable. The 2018 Lexus RX 350 is a stylish and comfortable luxury SUV that stands out with its bold exterior design and smooth performance. It comes with a powerful V6 engine that delivers strong acceleration while still providing a quiet and refined driving experience. Inside, the cabin is spacious and filled with premium materials, giving both the driver and passengers a high level of comfort on every trip. This model also includes modern technology and advanced safety features, making it a great choice for families and daily drivers. With its reputation for reliability, smooth ride quality, and luxurious interior, the 2018 RX 350 remains one of the most popular choices for buyers looking for a dependable and well-equipped luxury SUV. The 2020 Lexus RX 350 is often considered one of the best model years thanks to its perfect balance of luxury, reliability, and modern technology. It features a smooth and powerful V6 engine that delivers confident performance while maintaining the quiet and comfortable ride Lexus is known for. The refreshed exterior design gives the SUV a more sporty and modern appearance, making it feel updated compared to earlier models. Inside, the 2020 RX 350 stands out with a premium cabin, spacious seating, and improved technology, including a touchscreen infotainment system and advanced safety features. These upgrades, combined with Lexus's strong reputation for durability and low maintenance costs, make the 2020 model a top choice for buyers looking for a dependable and well-rounded luxury SUV. The 2021 Lexus RX 350 is widely regarded as one of the best versions of this luxury SUV, offering a perfect mix of comfort, performance, and modern features. Powered by a reliable V6 engine, it delivers smooth acceleration and a quiet driving experience, making it ideal for both city commuting and long-distance travel. Its bold exterior styling and refined design give the vehicle a premium and modern presence on the road. Inside, the 2021 RX 350 provides a spacious and high-quality cabin filled with advanced technology and safety features. The infotainment system is more user-friendly, and the seats are designed for maximum comfort, ensuring an enjoyable ride for all passengers. Combined with Lexus's strong reputation for reliability and low ownership costs, the 2021 model stands out as an excellent choice for anyone looking for a dependable and luxurious SUV. The 2022 Lexus RX 350 is a luxury SUV that offers a great combination of performance, comfort, and reliability. It is powered by a 3.5-liter V6 engine that delivers smooth acceleration and a quiet driving experience. The exterior design looks bold and modern, giving the SUV a strong presence on the road while still maintaining the elegant style that Lexus is known for. Inside, the 2022 RX 350 features a spacious and premium cabin with high-quality materials and comfortable seating for passengers. It also comes with modern technology, including an easy-to-use infotainment system and advanced safety features. With its refined ride quality and strong reputation for durability, the 2022 RX 350 remains a popular choice for buyers looking for a dependable and luxurious SUV. Before you buy a used Lexus RX 350, choosing the right model year can make a huge difference in reliability, comfort, and long-term value. The 5 model years we discussed are known for their strong performance, dependable engines, and the legendary durability that Lexus is famous for. With proper maintenance, these SUVs can easily last well over 200,000 miles. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more car guides like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.